Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Techniseal Natural Sealer and the way I do it. So hang tight and I'll just kind of walk you through the process. I'm going to make a couple stops in between and then I'll show you the final product after I finish. And then always remember, if it's a driveway, stay off of it for at least 24 hours so that this way you can properly cure. Make sure it's not 100 degrees outside, make sure it's not ice on the ground. A couple basic common sense points. Anyway, I'll be back with you in just a minute. All right, so today on this Montecito driveway with the graphite, you may have seen it in the previous video that I did. I'm going to be using Techniseal's Natural Lock sealer for the pavers. It's a sealer as well as joint stabilizer. On the Catalina Stones, Montecito, or whatever non-tumbled stones, you don't necessarily need to put a sealer on it because the joints are 1/16 of an inch apart, but for this one, for the protection for cars, and he likes to clean his driveway a lot, want to make sure it's done properly. And it's an extra thank you. I mean, he served our country in the US Navy and he's almost 100 years old. Love this guy, so it's time to give back. So what I like to use is the Ryobi cordless air blower. It's a 40 volt. It does the job. It's got lots of air pressure. I don't have to worry about cords or anything, just a simple battery on top. It does a great job. Okay, so whatever project this may be, I'm probably the worst at doing a perfect, accurate measurement on how much I should use. But typically I put in on a driveway this size in a walkway almost 2.5 gallons into the backpack sprayer. I like to use Harbor Freight's. It has a great fine mist to it. It's always been extremely reliable and a good price. So I'm gonna shoot this and you can see the before. And with the natural, you'll see it when it's wet, but when it dries, it'll be just like this, almost perfectly. So anyway, I'll show you the end result. There's my wand. Hold on. So I'm about at the halfway point, but you can see it's already drying well. And always, please, safety wise, wear safety glasses at all times when you're spraying this, so if something gets in your eyes, you're protected. But this is drying well. It's about 83 degrees right now, which is perfect. You don't want to go towards the 90s or the 100s. So I'll show you the final in just 1 second. And there you have it. It's all sealed. Like I said, there's not a big change in this at all. It is damp and it does need to dry. But when it's finished, the Montecito color looks fantastic on this. And if you've never used a backpack sprayer with a where it sits on your back, hand motion with the left hand side, and then your sprayer wand in your right hand, go to an old piece of concrete, maybe just put some water in there and just go practice on your current driveway, let it dry completely, and then use the sealer on it just as a test. So don't be afraid of it. It's not difficult to do. You don't need a crazy degree. So anyway, again, Techniseal Natural Sealer with a sand joiner. Love this stuff. Techniseal, definitely one of the best ways to go. Belgards product, love it. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. And if you found this useful, helpful, please press subscribe. Anyway, you know it. I'm out.